Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to draft and cut a shirt collar. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to draft and cut a shirt collar, please watch this video to the end. It is very detailed and beginner friendly. So let's go straight to the drafting of this collar.
So this is the
First thing
paper
you
I'll
need
be
is
using
your
for this
pattern
tutorial.
paper. So preferably
First,
it's good
you
you
are going
use
to
the gum stay or the collar stay
first you are going to
that you'll
make
be
your paper
using
unfold.
as the
So fold your
hardener or
paper
something that will
into
hold your
two. So we
material
assume this
firm,
is the
fabric firm.
folded paper.
Okay, so I'll be using
Okay,
this
so
paper, I'll be
you
using this
you are
pattern
going to
paper. So this
measure the
pattern paper
round
is on
neck of
fold.
your after
So
joining the
what you are going
back
to do
shoulder and the
first is to measure the
front shoulder
neckline of your
together.
shirt.
You will go ahead
So
and measure
after joining the
from
back and the
the
front
back shoulder to
together,
the front shoulder.
that's the
Okay,
back and the front
let
shoulder
me give
together, you go ahead
example.
and measure from the tip of the front back to
Okay,
the back
so when you see
and down
this
to the
dress,
front.
this is
Okay,
the
so let
back
me
part
use this as
and this is the
illustration.
front
So look
part.
at the
So
shirt,
you are just
the neck
going
of
to
the shirt,
measure
can
it.
you
Are you
see?
seeing
So
it?
I've
Let me
joined both
put it this way
shoulders
so that you can see the
together.
shape
So
very
what
well.
I'm going to
Okay,
do right
so
away now
you want to
is
sew
to
collar for this. After joining the
measure
back
from
and the front
the tip
together,
of
what you
this
should do
down
now
to the
is
back as
to
I have
measure from the,
illustrated.
okay,
So go
if this is
ahead
the
and measure
midpoint,
it all
let me
the
see the
way
midpoint of
round.
the, so it's to
Okay,
measure
so
from
whatever
here,
it gives to you, that's
okay,
what we are going to
to
use as
here,
the
to
wideness of our
here.
collar. So
Okay,
go
you
ahead and
measure
measure
it.
it all
Can you
the way
see?
round
Ensure that it does
and
not shift. You
keep
measure it
that
to the
number,
end.
that figure
Okay,
in
whatever
mind.
I give, make sure it gets to the end. Okay, whatever I gives to you, that's what you are going to make use of. Can you see? So just
So after measuring the shirt, the neck of the shirt, I've got 16 inches. So I'm going to divide the 16 inches in by 2. I'm going to divide it by 2, which gave me 8 inches. So you divide whatever this your neck circumference of the dress into 2. Whatever it gives to you, that's what you are going to mark out here. So do that. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the top of the fabric, sorry, the pattern paper, and also mark the same thing. Then at this side where I marked the 8 inches, I'm going to come up by 4.5 inch from the starting line. This first line that I drew at the bottom, that's the starting line. So I'll also take the 4.5 inches at this part too, so that when I draw my line, it will be straight and it will be even. So I'll go ahead and connect the lines like so. After connecting it, I'll connect the top to meet the bottom point, okay, where we measure 4.5 inch or where the 8 inches ends. I hope you understand. Okay, so that is for that. So the next thing I'm going to do right away now is to measure the 8 inches. I'm going to divide it by 2 again. So I'll divide it by 2, so it which gave me 4. So at this point I'm going to mark where the 4 is. Then at the tip of the where the 8 inches end, I'm going to come up by 1 inch like so. Then I'm going to use my ruler to simply connect it quickly. So at this point here, I'm going to come up by 1.25 inch. Okay, so I'm going to take it down to where I measured 4 inches. You remember I divided the 8 into 2 again. So I'm going to rule like so. Okay, so after ruling, connecting that, remember I stopped at the 4 inches. Then I will go to the tip, that's this end. I'm going to come up by 1 inch. Also I'm going to come up by 1 inch. Remember at that side I came out by 1.25 inch. Here I came up by 1 inch. So I'll go ahead and connect it firmly to the 4 inch where I stopped the other time. I hope you understand. So please watch the video carefully. So at this point now, I'm going to just curve it. I'm going to curve the tip to the
give
whatever
it a very
shape
fine
that I
shape.
want.
All right, so
So I'm just going to place my ruler and curve it.
I'm trying to give it a fine shape, something that will give it a fine shape. So this is better. All right, so okay, so it gives it a fine shape over here. So can you see? All right, so just look for curve that way, make it look really beautiful. So the next thing I'm going to do here now is to measure 1 inch here. So I'll come here and measure 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch. All right, so then I'll come here and measure 1 inch also here. Okay, so I've measured the 1 inch. I'll just go ahead and connect it, and connect here to here, okay, using my ruler. So at this particular portion, I'm going to come here by, okay, 1.2 inch. I'm going to come here by 2 inch. Okay, I'm going to come here by 2 inch. Then I'm going to measure 3 inches this way. Okay, then I'm going to connect it. All right, I'm going to connect it like so. So the next thing I'm going to do right away now is to connect here and here together. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and connect here and here together. So let's go. Okay, so I've connected it. So with this now, from here I'm going to connect it using my curve. So I think this is perfect. Okay, I'm just searching for the perfect shape. So from here I'll connect it to here. Okay, let me see where I'll be able to. All right, so this is it. Okay, and this is our collar. Can you see? This is our collar. So I will show you where you need to eliminate. So remember, here is 1 point, this is 1 inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inch. So this is the collar. So if, can you see? So this is it. You can go ahead. So this part you eliminate it, you remove it. This part you remove it. This part you are going to remove it. This part you are going to remove it. Okay, so this is your collar. Okay, so you are going to remove this part. Okay, I've told you. And this, we are going to remove this part and this part. Okay, all this part, shaded part, you are just going to cut. So I'm doing with this and this. So that's your collar. Thanks for watching the video to the end. See you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.